Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and start scrolling through your phone, and all of a sudden your Google business profile is just like gone. This is your business. Where did it go? Your phone isn't ringing, and you're sure that your competitor's phone is ringing, and you have no idea why. Hi, I'm Gail from MapYourBiz. Okay, so here is what may have happened. Google suspended your profile, and there are a number of reasons for this, but they're cracking down harder than ever in 2026. And most business owners don't even know that they're doing something wrong. It's kind of like getting a ticket for a law you didn't even know existed. So today, I'm going to walk you through the three most common reasons that your Google profile could get banned and how to fix each one before it's too late. All right, number one, don't put all those crazy keywords in your business name. Google will know that that's not your real business name. If you are Smith HVAC, just be Smith HVAC. Don't be Smith HVAC, plumbing, heating, drain repair, emergency services, Bremerton, Washington, best service ever. Here's what usually happens. Some SEO guy says, hey, put all your keywords in there and it'll help you rank higher. And that might actually work for a little while, but Google's algorithms are going to figure that out and then you're going to get suspended. So that's not what you want. And sometimes that suspension is like instant and you have no warning. So I see this all the time with contractors. You think you're being clever, but you're not. Sorry. You're painting a target on your back. So you need to fix it right now. Go to your Google business profile, look at your business name, and ask yourself, is this my legal business name? That's the only thing allowed. A DBA is fine, doing business as, but not keyword stuffing or putting your personal name next to it or the town you work in. None of that is allowed. Okay, so the number two reason is using a virtual office, like a rented office suite that doesn't actually belong to you full time or doesn't belong to you at all in the physical real world. Or you use some kind of fake address, a storage unit. So I understand a lot of home based businesses do this because they don't want customers knowing where their house is. But you can't do that. You have to set yourself up as a service area business, and you can't use that virtual office address or that storage unit address for your Google business profile. So Google can tell, they cross reference all those addresses, and then they know which buildings have the virtual offices and which ones are real addresses, and they will suspend you. No warning, and sometimes no second chance. So, again, if you're a service area business and you don't have customers coming to you, you're going to them, then list yourself the appropriate way and don't use that fake address. Google knows. All right, so the third way that you can get suspended is for fake reviews. I see ads all the time saying you can buy all these Google reviews, but don't do it. It's not worth it. And this accounts for about 30% of all profile suspensions. So I get it. Reviews are hard to get. You're busy, you forget to ask. So the temptation is to have your family, your friends, write up reviews and kind of stuff them in there, but don't do it. Google detects those review patterns and they'll see that they're coming from the same device or the same IP address. Or if those reviews come in like clusters, one after the other. So their algorithms specifically designed to catch this stuff. Those Google algorithms can tell if you paid that guy on the internet to write you a bunch of good reviews. It's not worth it. And when they do, they don't just remove the reviews, they suspend your entire profile. So here's what you do instead. You just ask for reviews. You ask every single customer and get real reviews because that's what matters anyway for your business. So after every job, send a text with a link to your review page or an email, whatever's easiest for you and your customers. So you want real reviews from real customers. That's what Google wants. And in 2026, that's what actually moves the needle. All right. So if you've done any of these three things, the keyword stuffing, the fake address, the fake reviews, just go fix it right now. Don't wait for Google to catch you. It is not worth it. So if you need some help or you need a free audit, let me know. I'm happy to help. I do this every week. and I can tell you exactly where your profile is at risk. So here's the truth. A suspended Google Business profile means your phone stops ringing completely. Your competitor down the street, the one with the clean profile, he's getting all your calls. So what are you supposed to do? Clean up your profile, keep it clean, and keep those calls coming in. See you next time.